Sam and welcome to Prep Medic. This is not my typical video. Number one, you're gonna notice that it's not Saturday or Sunday, which is very abnormal for this channel. But today I really want to talk to you about some really cool things coming up for me, and then talk about some of the people that I'm working with. So number one, we are coming up on the TacMed Summit. So this is an international tactical medical summit, and it's all virtual this year because of the pandemic. So I've actually been invited to speak at it. It is this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I am doing a lecture on the third day. Now there are some really cool speakers there. I am probably the least qualified person speaking at this conference, and that's not putting myself down. That's just telling you how it is. You've got Andrew Fisher, who's one of the pioneers in tactical medicine. You've got the that guy on Instagram that is very influential. You've got a lot of docs, a lot of special forces guys that are all talking about tactical medicine and different aspects of it. So if you're at all interested in that field, I would highly recommend you check this conference out. I have a link below for the conference. My lecture is specifically on thoracic trauma and tactical EMS, and then there's a lot of other really cool things going on there. So the other thing, and kind of in the same lane as that, if you don't follow Andrew Fisher, he runs the Instagram channel, St. Fisher's Church of Evidence-Based Medicine. And like I said, Andrew Fisher, he was an 11 Bravo, I believe he was a Ranger, and then he went to PA school to become a physician's assistant, and now he's just finishing up medical school, about to go into a residency of trauma surgery, I believe. Very knowledgeable guy, sits on the board of the Committee for Tactical Combat Casualty Care. He runs that Instagram page, and they put out a lot of really great content, a lot of really great studies, and then they also have some swag. So if you haven't already, go ahead, check him out. I've been starting to work with him a little bit more on certain topics, and he's a really great resource for evidence-based medicine and trauma care in general. So one of the things that's really important to me on this channel is that I am not ever endorsing something just because of money. I do not take money for reviews, and I don't really want to be influenced in that way. That being said, you know, one of the things that I do to keep the lights on, get new set items, get new gear to review, is I do partner with products that I believe in and companies that I believe in. To get some affiliate links through them. So my partners right now are Vertex. They just reached out. If you use the code on the screen, you can get 25% off anything on their store, and that helps support the channel. I've also partnered with Medical Gear Outfitters, which is Skinny Medic's store. I know the rebuttal video is coming soon towards him, but we do partner together, and I do have an affiliate link for his site. So if you're looking for any medical supplies, that's a great place to go, and I believe the link gets you 10% off. I've also partnered with Qore Performance, which puts out the ice plates. They put out a lot of gear to keep providers safe in really hot and other austere environments. They also have the plate carrier that I've been wearing. I'm partnering with Sore Rescue. They are a pretty big training company on the East Coast. I just reviewed their med mags, put out a really great product, and then have even better training courses, even a bunch online if you're looking for that right now. I'm also partnering with Patch Panel, who makes custom patches you can put on your plate carriers, anything like that, labels for your medical kits. And then last but not least, Mystery Ranch. So Mystery Ranch puts out a really high-end technical bags and packs. So if you're in the market for any of those things, you know, I've got links below or the codes that will get you some percentages off here and there. It really does help the channel. Like I said, you know, not everything is actually sent to me for free. So, you know, getting set lights and getting more gear to review, that really does help me out. But I am not running this channel as a business. So if you're not in the market for it, it's no skin off my back. Just throw it out there if you're looking to pick up any of those items. So circling back to the beginning, if you guys are at all interested in tactical medicine or the advancement of trauma care in the US, I would highly urge you to check out the TacMed conference. I will say that it's not really geared towards the lay person, so it's not really geared for the person that doesn't have a whole lot of medical experience. So you could still definitely learn something, and it would definitely be a eye-opening experience at the very least. But I definitely believe that this conference is more for the professional provider or the volunteer there, because I think it goes a little bit more in depth in that realm. So guys, thanks for watching. Kind of a weird video, but hopefully I'll have a video out this week. I've been pretty busy putting together this presentation and some other things, so I'm not sure if I'll have time to put something out. So guys, if you have any questions, comments, snide remarks, anything like that, please leave them in the comments down below. Even if I can't respond, I do read every single one. With all of that being said, I will see you next week.